Okay, let's introduce the panelist. Siddharth Nath Singh of the BJP. Tehseen Poonawalla leans to the Congress party. He's as good as a Congress party spokesperson. So I will not describe him as a political analyst, which he is no longer an independent political analyst. Now, DP Tripathi of the NCP Member of Parliament, KTS Tulsi Senior Advocate and Member of Parliament, Aarti Jairath Senior Journalist, Dr. Kiran Bedi. She supports Modi, but she's not with the BJP. She's independent on this. Lord Meghnad Desai will be joining us. Our satellite truck is 25 kilometers away from Kettle, where we might get Randeep Surjewala live, perhaps on time. Now, Siddharth, what is this? Because Rahul questions you on Adani, you respond with RSVP. You don't explain even once. By the way, this is an open debate after the first question. You don't explain even once why you were quiet for 2.5 years.
Well, we have.
Why you picked it up now? Because you're insecure on the Adani issue.
Well, if you have asked your question, I can reply.
Yes.
Or no, I'll reply, but after that, please, I have a lot of echo.
That's all. Okay. We'll correct that. We'll correct that.
As far as as far as Adani is concerned, we have already replied in detail to the Congress, and Congress have nothing else to offer on the Rahul Gandhi's toffee model. We have said beginning 85 to 95, in 97 also when Waghela government was there, the Congress has allotted at 1 rupee and 2 rupees. So we have given in detail, and Congress has no rebut to it. Well, I think, Arnab, you can come back to me again.
I'll fix the echo. No, by the way, just on a lighter note, as we fix the echo, Siddharth Nath Singh, I'm surprised you're complaining about the echo, because I thought most politicians like the sound of their own voice, besides TV anchors. That's on a lighter note. Here's Uma Bharti. Uma Bharti.
I can't be Arnab Goswami.
So that's why I said and TV anchors. So I took the jibe on myself as well. We'll correct that. Uma Bharti goes right after the BJP, the Congress once again. A few minutes back, I have received a tape where she said, I don't care what the BJP says. If we come to power, we are going to put Jamai Babu in jail. That references Robert Vadra. Let's hear her.
क्योंकि वो सोनिया गांधी के दामाद हैं, इस कारण से जिस भी राज्य में कांग्रेस की सरकारें थी वो सब उनसे दबे, केंद्र के मंत्री भी उनसे दबे और सारे नियमों का उल्लंघन करके उनने पैसे बनाए। और मेरी पार्टी के लोग भले ही मुझसे नाराज हो जाएं, लेकिन जिस दिन मेरे हाथ में बात आएगी उस दिन मैं जमाई बाबू को जेल जरूर भिजवाऊंगी। ठीक है।
मोदी जी ने कहा था कि हम बदले की उससे कोई कार्रवाई नहीं करेंगे। आपके पिछला जब बयान आया था कि जमाई बाबू जेल जाएंगे, उसके बाद मोदी जी ने कहा था हम बदले से कोई कार्रवाई नहीं
करेंगे, बदले से नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन अपराधी को सजा तो देंगे ना। जो निर्दोष होगा उससे हम बदला नहीं लेंगे, लेकिन जिसने देश की चोरी की हो और जिसने नियमों का उल्लंघन करके पैसे कमाए हों, उनको तो जेल भिजवाना पड़ेगा, उनको माफी नहीं मिलेगी। जो नहीं दंड करूं खल तोरा, तो भ्रष्ट होए श्रुति मार्ग मोरा। अगर भ्रष्टाचारियों को दंड नहीं दिए गए तो धर्म का मार्ग ही विचलित हो जाएगा।
Okay, Kiran Bedi, how fair is that? How fair is what Uma Bharti has said? How fair is it to
There is a law. Here is a man called Ashok Khemka applied the law. But what happened? There is no course. These are my 5 things. So, Vadra's case
I understand your point.
An independent special investigation team. That's all I'm saying.
Right. I get your point.
Arnab, I'd like to
yes,
comment,
Tehseen.
please. Yeah, Arnab, first of all, happy Easter to all your viewers. And I hope I'm not sent to Pakistan because I'm opposing Narendra Modi ji. Now, here's the more substantial point, because Kiran Bedi ji brought up some very substantial points. As so far as the Haryana land deal is concerned, this matter went into PIL both in the High Court and in the Honorable Supreme Court. Arnab, I'll just take a minute to read what the Honorable Supreme Court said in the matter of Robert Vadra with regards to the PIL of the Ashok Khemka issue that Ms. Bedi brings up. The Honorable Supreme Court says, in the name of a PIL, public interest litigation, we will not allow you to destroy the name of a person merely because he happens to be linked to a politician. Therefore, he cannot be called a sinner. It also says, your petition, it tells the petitioner, says that the Haryana government gave license for 21,000 acres of land. Why then are you targeting one person? And it asks the petitioner to withdraw the petition. This is the Honorable Supreme Court that gave Robert Vadra a clean chit as so far as this issue that Ms. Bedi brings up. As so far as the Rajasthan and the Bikaner issue is brought, which is the other issue that the BJP tends to bring up all the time, I would like to talk that it's their government right now in Rajasthan. I have RTI replies where Mrs. Vasundhara Raje, the current Chief Minister of Rajasthan, has asked all her collectors, including the collector of Bikaner, to give a report on all the investments done by companies where Mr. Vadra has
So what's wrong with that?
None of the collectors.
No, what's wrong with that?
One second.
No, what's wrong with that? By the way, no, we are now opening it up. No,
only one sentence.
We'll open it up now.
Arnab, I have only one sentence and then you can interrupt.
No, there are 4 other panelists who have to come in. Randeep is on the phone line.
No, just one
Complete it
sentence.
quickly, please. Complete it quickly. Don't get into speech mode.
None of these reports, in their government point to any wrongdoing. All the policies were made by Mrs. Raje. Just go back to Dainik Bhaskar and to the Rajasthan Patrika of 2008. It was they who advertised these policies.
Don't play victim. Don't
and
play
therefore,
victim.
people invested in them. There is nothing
one
wrong.
second.
They've given a clean chit
Don't
themselves.
play victim. I'm saying don't play victim. Answer factually. You're playing victim.
No, I'm not playing victim.
What you're doing is playing victim. Ask KTS. Randeep is on the phone line. Randeep Surjewala. Randeep Surjewala, are you there on the phone line? One second. This is Arnab here.
I'm very much there, Arnab.
Yeah, so the question is, Randeep, and by the way, Meghnath Desai, DP Tripathi, KTS Tulsi and Aarti Jaras, we're going to come to you in a minute, right? Randeep, we were hoping to get you live. Satellite truck has not reached. But in the meantime, you see, one of the Congress-leaning participants on the program puts this argument that the Supreme Court did not entertain a petition seeking a CBI investigation into the licenses granted to several real estate developers, including the one in which Robert Vadra is associated for developing colonies in Haryana. Randeep, you know this argument amounts to nothing because A, there was no inquiry, B, there was no investigation, the state government did not order an inquiry, and that's the reason why on issues of maintainability the petition was dismissed. That's not a defense of Robert Vadra, is it? Randeep?
Arnab, you permitted Kiranji 5 short statements. Let me begin with the first one. No amount of witch hunt, mudslinging or diatribe or petty politicking that Mr. Modi and company now seeks to level by putting wool over people's eyes. It's not going to hoodwink people and cover his tracks with the insurmountable amount of black money that he's using in this campaign of 15,000 crores. As far as Mr. Robert Vadra Modi and rejects the petition in toto just because Mr. Modi, thirdly, Mr. Modi wants to cover his tracks because he allocates to Mr. Adani 9,500.
Why do you pick up the Adani issue again and again when we are talking about Vadra?
No, because we have to see it. It's a scam running into 30,000 crores in one transaction.
No, you answer.
Ask me one line.
No, you answer. 1 second, Mr. Surjewala.
Yes.
Mr. Surjewala, we need to get quick reactions to what you're saying here. You know, I'm going to come back to you. Siddharth, you want to respond to it? DP Tripathi, you think this will hold? Meghnad Desai, you think this argument will hold? This argument in defense of Vadra? Okay, Siddharth.
Arnab, two things. One, both of them, the Congress supported spokesperson and the spokesperson, they both are referring to a Supreme Court judgment, which in normal course the Supreme Court will say if it depends on the prayer, which is a normal justice process.
Have they quoted anything wrong?
The matter is,
have they quoted anything wrong?
No, I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is in normal course the Supreme Court will reply in such a fashion to a prayer. What I'm trying to say is there needed to be an investigation, and the whole issue is 1 lakh rupee in your bank account and you turn around a deal which is more than 70-80 crores. That is the whole thing. And the company, you remember the day it came out and we all debated on your channel, within 24 hours, we have the finance minister jumping in, we have the corporate affairs minister jumping in, if not then other ministers jumping in to give a clean chit. If he is an individual, as per the Supreme Court, why did all the entire bunch of the ministers jump in?
So why do all the BJP leaders?
Because he was the son-in-law.
The Honorable Supreme Court.
No, why do all the BJP leaders? Why do all the BJP leaders jump in the case of Adani? If Robert Vadra's wealth has risen,
we have not.
No. Of course you have.
We didn't jump. Arnab Goswami, we only gave the facts, which was given by our spokesperson Nirmala ji.
DP Tripathi, KTS Tulsi.
There have been in past. It is not the first case. Adani had been getting
DP Tripathi, KTS Tulsi, come into the debate. Meghnad Desai, come into the debate. The BJP. No. The question I have. No. Let's get DP Tripathi first.
The trophy is gone.
Siddharth Nath Singh, a minute, Siddharth. You see, don't believe the so-called RSVP model does not reduce the onus on you or the BJP Gujarat government to answer questions related to the Adanis. If Robert Vadra's wealth has risen from 1 lakh to 400 crores in 5 years, as per your charge, then Adani's wealth has also risen to 35,881 crores over the last 10 years.
Has given.
Okay, 1 second.
May I make just one point?
Just a minute. DP Tripathi.
Just one point.
I'm getting DP Tripathi in. 1 second. DP Tripathi, please respond.
Yeah. You see, the points that BJP is raising are new models, new expressions. Now RSVP, which is a French expression. In English it means respond please, and the alternative, Arnav, of RSVP is regrets only. So for BJP, the people of India will create a situation when they will have to say regrets only. They have given a new meaning to RSVP. RSVP, according to BJP behavior, your
poetry,
attacks.
so I thought you
He
were
is the
one day.
most experienced political leader in the country. That even your prime ministerial candidate Modi has said. Forget about me. Don't talk about Sharad Pawar here. We
all
are
know-
talking about
we
your
all know
attacks
what the
on
land
a
deals are
person
there
who
in
is
Maharashtra, so
legally,
least spoken the better.
according to law of the land, is
Sir,
innocent.
the simple
Let's keep it
questions.
against Robert